Today, we're gonna make Italian turkey burgers with turkey meat. We're gonna add spinach, and this recipe is inside the Best Grain-Free Family Meals on the Planet cookbook. I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek at what it looks like. It's super delicious. In the book, I serve it with carrot fries, so I'm gonna make sure to link right below this video the recipe and video for the carrot fries that's served on the side. So comes together fast and quickly. It's an awesome midweek meal. Now, in this bowl, I have a pound of turkey meat, and here I had 5 ounces of spinach, which I like to finely chop because I started chopping off camera. But because we're gonna put the spinach with the turkey meat and we want it to hold together. Sometimes you make turkey burgers and they break apart, they fall apart, and that's because oftentimes we need to add a binding agent like eggs, but in this recipe in particular, I feel like the turkey meat holds really well. Now, if you prefer to use beef or ground chicken, that's fine too. Turkey is considered a healthier alternative than using ground meat because it is a lean protein, but of course use whatever you typically like. So to the turkey, I'm going to just add my spinach in the bowl. I'm going to also add some Italian seasoning and some garlic. Now you can also use fresh grated garlic or garlic paste, but I don't have that today. Just adding powdered garlic to my bowl and a little bit of salt. And friends, with clean hands, this is the part where you are gonna form your turkey hamburger patties. You wanna make sure that you combine the spinach into your ground turkey meat really well. It will cook down some, so right now I know it looks like very leafy and some of it will remain in the bowl, of course, but you wanna make it as sticky as possible throughout. All I'm gonna do next is form 4 patties. So I'm gonna divide that in half and this other one in half right here and press them down. I usually try to push in any spare leafy green around and just pat down the middle, that right there. Sometimes it's easier to mix all of your spinach into each patty as you are forming them. Now these could also be turned into meatballs and baked in the oven quite well. Now this recipe is also a favorite of our family Kickstart program where many families are using a 30-day meal plan to reduce and eliminate the processed foods and sugars and really just establish healthier eating habits with their families. If that's something that interests you, I'm gonna make sure to link that right below the video for you. I'm gonna heat up my pan over medium-high heat. Once our pan is hot, I'm gonna add some olive oil, or you could spray it too, to cook our turkey burgers. Up next, I'm going to place my turkey burgers right into my pan. They will shrink some, so you wanna kind of put them tightly and close together towards the center of the pan. You can press them down a little bit and then leave them alone. All right, so these turkey burgers have been on here for about 5 minutes and it's real close to flipping them. So the way you know is that the turkey meat is now whitish around the edges and the bottoms are golden brown. Now we're gonna cook the other side for another 5 to 7 minutes before we plate these and top them with our sun-dried tomato pesto. Our turkey burgers are ready. I'm gonna remove them from our pan onto a plate. If you're wondering, how do I know when your turkey burgers are done? Well, poultry needs to be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the easiest way to know is by using a kitchen thermometer. You are gonna poke it right through the middle off your pan and make sure that it is indeed over 165. And at that point, you are ready to build your burgers. These turkey burgers could of course be served in a bun or in lettuce leaves. So I'm just going to grab my turkey burger, put it on my lettuce, and then I like tomato slices on my burger. So I'm gonna add some tomato slices. If you wanted to put onions, feel free to put onions right here. And then this sun-dried tomato pesto. I have this recipe also inside of the Best Grain-Free Meals on the Planet, but this is sun-dried tomatoes 50-50 mixed with pesto sauce. So I like to take a dollop of this right over the top, kind of put it around. All right, guys, it's time to dig in. So I like to take my leaves and sort of fold them over and hold my burger like this. Make a mess. Let's take it out. totally feeling this for lunch today. The turkey is perfectly cooked through. It's still really juicy. It tastes so good with that sun-dried tomato pesto. Make sure to grab the recipe right below this video, as well as the link to the Family Kickstart program and the Grain-Free Meals on the Planet cookbook. Now, guess what? If you want to hang out with me every week and make awesome recipes a few times, let's do it. Hit that red subscribe button. See you next time.